Alright guys, so welcome back to another lesson of today. So in this video I'm going to show you the difference between the major pentatonic scale and the minor pentatonic. A lot of you have been missing out this conception about the major and the minor pentatonic. Okay, I've been getting a lot of questions about the major and minor pentatonic, so I want to make it very clear to you. If you're a beginner, you should be able to understand how the minor pentatonic works and how the major pentatonic works, and how you can play your major pentatonic and how you can play your major pentatonic as well. Okay, so without wasting of time, let's move straight into the video. But if you know that this is the first time you're coming across my video, do wait to hit on the subscribe button there. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss starting time I upload a new video like this. And if you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, hit on the comment section. I'm going to give you the reply as soon as possible. Alright guys, if you want a one-on-one class with me, do wait to chat me on the number on the screen there. Okay, on WhatsApp I'm going to respond to you. It's not a free class, it's a payable class, so when you're coming, know that you're coming to pay. Okay, all right, let's move straight to the video. So this is the major pentatonic. We're gonna do the lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. Okay, so we're gonna play in different intervals so that you can understand the root. This is number 1, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Okay, do re mi fa sol la ti do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Okay. So we have our root here again. Okay, on the 6th string here. So let's start with the major pentatonic. The major pentatonic is formed of the 5 notes. Okay, it's formed of the 5 notes, which is do, re, mi, sol, la. Do, re, mi, sol, la. La, sol, mi, re, do. Okay, that is the major pentatonic. So you can play it downward. Okay, do, re, mi, sol, la. Do, re, mi, sol, la. Do, re, do. Okay, do. Okay, that is the major pentatonic. Now the minor pentatonic, what makes it the minor is, instead of playing the re, you substitute to the more. A lot of you say re. Okay, but the correct word there, the correct note there, word for the note there is more. Okay, so it's gonna be do, mo, fa, sol. Okay, do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. Do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. Do, mo, fa, sol, do, do. Okay, that's the minor pentatonic. So what makes it the minor is the more, the va, okay, and the to, different from the major pentatonic. Okay, so the more, the same place we play the C, you're going to start the same root in the C, and it's going to be more, instead of re, you play more, va, sol, do, do. Then you play it downward. Do, mo, va, sol, do. Okay. This is the point where a lot of you get misunderstanding. This is a point where a lot of you misunderstand it to the major pentatonic. It's not the major pentatonic, that is the minor pentatonic. I know a lot of you might likely play something like this on this shape here. That is actually an A minor pentatonic scale. That's actually an A pentatonic. If you want to play a C major pentatonic on this shape, you're going to start from the 3rd string here. Okay, this is the root, another root in the key of C. Okay, another root in the key of C. So you can equally start from here. Do, re, mi, sol, la. Okay, when you stop here, you can still continue. Do, la, sol, mi, re, do. That's for the C. But if you are starting on this root here, that is an A minor pentatonic scale. Okay, so if you want to get the minor, the C minor pentatonic from the 6 strings, you're going to start just like the way I played. So on this other shape, this C root, yeah. Va mo do, do do so va mo do. Okay. You're going to play the minor C minor chord. Okay, so get the difference clear there. My next lesson, I'm going to show you how you can use the minor and the major pentatonic in a song, okay, to make it sound better, make it sound good, okay. All right. Wherever you don't understand, get back to me, okay, on the comment section. I'm going to give a reply as soon as possible.